Hey guys, what's going on? It's Shash Singh, and in this video, I wanted to go over the difference between YouTube conversion tracking, YouTube ads, AdWords for video conversion tracking versus Facebook conversion tracking. And this is for all you Facebook advertisers that want to scale on YouTube. I think it's important information because nobody knows about this. Really, I've not heard anybody else talk about this. So I'm just gonna break this down and give you, hopefully help you guys out with this. So I'm gonna switch over to my presentation and let's get started. All right, guys, let's get into it. By the way, Links Digital Agency is my marketing agency. That's where we do all our client work. And so that's what this is. Okay, so number one, AdWords for video conversion tracking. Now this blew my mind, and this is really hard information to find, but basically a video conversion with AdWords for video is different than how the conversions in the rest of the network are tracked. So with a video conversion, it's basically if they view your ad and convert within 30 days, then it counts as a conversion. So what's a view? A view is somebody watches 30 seconds of your video or they click anywhere on your ad. So a lot of people think that AdWords conversion is a direct click-through. Often it can just be somebody watching your video for 45 seconds and then converting maybe 10 days later through some other means. So that's important to keep in mind. And there's also another type of conversion which is called a view-through conversion. So view-through conversion is when somebody watches less than 30 seconds of your ad and converts within your conversion window. So, usually it's 30 days by default. So view-through conversion, somebody watches 20 seconds, they end up converting through some other mean, that counts as a view-through conversion. So very important to keep in mind because a lot of people think a conversion is only when somebody clicks through. No, if they watch 45 seconds of your ad and they convert, then that's going to be a conversion. So that's how AdWords for video conversion works, or YouTube ads conversions, how they work. So Facebook conversions. So with Facebook, it's different. Facebook is when somebody sees your ad and purchases within 1 day, or when they click through your ad and convert within 28 days. An impression is it's like they could be scrolling through, they see it like for a second. It's very vague, but it's only 1 day. But the rest of it has to be they actually have to click through and convert within 28 days. And obviously, you can also change your attribution window inside Facebook ads to see what's coming from view through, how long people are taking to convert. But the big thing that I really want you to get here is that Facebook and YouTube video conversion tracking is different. So you really want to be looking at each one on its own. And the other thing is you should be using Google Analytics and UTM parameters to be really tracking direct sales from YouTube ad clicks. So that gives you a different perspective because it's basically just gives you an idea of what's actually coming directly and what the indirect effect is. And understand this with YouTube ads. You're getting in their face. A lot of conversions will happen because they watch your whole video. They don't click on it, but then they end up Googling you later. It's basically, don't be too hard on yourself if in Google Analytics what you're seeing is different than what you're seeing in AdWords, because that's supposed to happen. A lot of people are going to watch 45 seconds to a minute and end up finding you through, your other means as well. And that's why Facebook and YouTube ads work so well together, because, if you're hitting them on YouTube and you're also hitting them on Facebook, it's just giving them two chances to convert, right? And you can even do stuff where you're driving traffic to your landing page on with YouTube ads and then retargeting on Facebook, which is incredibly powerful. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much like a quick summary. Really, the big takeaway point is YouTube ads conversion tracking with video campaigns and AdWords is just tracked differently than with Facebook ads and with Google Display Network and search ads, right? They're more in the traditional, you actually have to click through, but with AdWords for video, it's just different. So keep that in mind, and that way you won't be surprised when your Google Analytics and your AdWords data are completely different, because that's supposed to happen. So yeah, guys, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna keep giving you more gold on these, and basically I have case studies. I have a lot of cool stuff coming. I've been doing YouTube ads for years now, and I really know the platform inside out, and I want to share that knowledge with you. I want to get you guys to also start making big money on YouTube, And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a great day. Bye bye.